Dear students, standard 3. Yesterday we read the chapter 3 Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Already we have completed 2 paragraphs. Today please open that chapter 3 page 24. Page 24. Open your book page 24. Again I told you please open your book page 24. This is page 24. So that we will read it from here. Already we have read these 2 paragraphs. Today we will read this. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's dream finally came true on 15th August 1947 when India became a free country. That means India got its independence on 1947, 15th August 1947. So that Jawaharlal Nehru's dream was to make the India free from the Britishers with the cooperation by the Indians through non-cooperation movement led by our father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi. So that Nehru was very keen to Mahatma Gandhi. He was the follower of great patriot of that time, that national movement by which they got the independence through non-cooperation movement, through non-violence. Understood? So he was a peace lover. Mahatma Gandhi tried to make India free from the Britishers through non-violence. So non-violence was their main view to make the free India from the British rule. So that the dream of Jawaharlal Nehru became true or came true in 15th August 1947 when India became a free country. He became the first Prime Minister. He brought great industrial development in the country. That means industrial development relating to the industry. That means Silpayana. So he tried to develop India's economy through industry. Understood? So that he became the first Prime Minister. He brought the great industrial development in the country. He was loved by all. That means through his activities, he was loved by all. All age of people were loving to Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru was called Chacha Nehru, lovingly by the children, because Nehru was loving to the children very much. He also loved children very much, as so his birthday is celebrated every year as Children's Day. So by loving to the children, the birthday of Nehru on 14th November is being celebrated as the Children's Day in all over India. So he had a great lover of children. He was a patriot loving to the children as he was loving to India as a nationalist and a great statesman in India. So that you please open your book page number 25. He had written 3 books named Discovery of India, Autobiography and Glimpses of World History. That means he had written 3 autobiographies. One book name is Discovery of India, another is Autobiography, and third one is the Glimpses of India. Glimpses of world history, not India. Glimpses of world history. So the glimpses means at a glance. That means jhalak. Glimpses of world history means विश्व इतिहास झलक रे विश्व इतिहास बा क्षणिक विश्व इतिहास ता अर्थ विश्व इतिहास विषय रे से अनेक गुड़े लेखा ये बही रे लिखिछंती जे सेतबेलर समय कौन थिला विश्व कौन थिला आ को भली भारतर अवस्था स्थिति थिला विश्व दरबार रे से विषय मध्ये से लेखा करी अछंती. These books are worth reading. That means you will read it. It has many learning things in it. If you will read it, and it will give you many ways of living the life in a social manner, in a national life manner, in a statesmanship manner, so that it is the very valuable books for Indians. This great leader passed away, that means died on 27th May 1964. On 27th May 1964, he was died, or he was passed away, so that this book, this chapter Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is completing now, so that we have already read about him, and we he is a known face to us. He is famous all over India. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. You must have to remember his pictures, which I am pointing. It is a great nationalist, great leader, and he was a Pandit. He was a son of a Pandit family, and he was a great barrister also. As the Mahatma Gandhi was a barrister, so Pandit Nehru was also a barrister. Have a nice day, my dear teenagers. I think you will read it with a great pleasure. I think you will do it at your home as the homework. You have to practice your reading, and you have to spell out your word meanings and its meanings. You have to keep in your mind. I will ask you questions through online. Have a nice day, my dear students. Thank you.